In today's video, I want to show you exactly how you can find out who owns any piece of land in England or Wales, even if you don't know what the address is. Hi, my name is Tony Law from Your First Four Houses, and my channel is all about helping you achieve financial freedom through property. If this is your first time here and you want some tips and tricks on how to build your own portfolio, be sure to hit the subscribe button and bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on anything. So I want you to imagine for a moment you found yourself a potential building plot, something with real potential, but you don't know who actually owns it. There's no address for it, and it's certainly not on the market at the moment. How are you going to find out who actually owns that piece of land? This is how you do it. The first thing you need to do is to get yourself a 1 to 1250 scale map. And on there, you're actually going to mark very clearly the area that you're interested in. A cross won't suffice. You've literally got to block out the particular area. Next, you need to download a SIM form. This is a search of the index map form from the Land Registry, and I'll put a link in the description box below that will take you straight to that link. You're going to now write to the Land Registry because this can't unfortunately be done online accurately at the moment. And in there, you're going to enclose that SIM form, your map, and a cheque for £4 made out to the Land Registry. They will then conduct a search of the index map. And assuming that they can find some title deeds that are actually associated with that, they will then respond back to you with those title deed numbers. Now, interestingly, 85% of England and Wales is registered, but 15% isn't. So it may well be the case that they come back and they say that this particular piece of land isn't registered, which will be an interesting situation. You can then download those title deeds, and I would then suggest that you write to the owner once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times, however many times it actually takes, and try to agree some kind of a win-win deal. Personally, I'd be looking to actually agree some kind of a purchase subject to planning, but obviously where you take it from there is entirely up to you. I really hope you found that one helpful. If you're not already subscribed, can I encourage you to do so by clicking here, and I've got a couple of other videos that you may well find helpful. My name's Tony Law from Your First Four Houses, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.